Hi everyone, look at what I have. I got another one. I don't know, I just got it like literally a few minutes ago. It's got bangs. I still have to work on it, do the part and all that kind of stuff. Do a little trimming. We'll see what we come up with. I don't know. I know it's a little dark, but I didn't turn on the light, sorry. I just have my little spotlight over here. Anyways, but I got some friend mail, snail mail. So anyways, as you all know, Jean is my aunt from Jean's Junk, and I got a cute little card, and it had two little tiny shells in it. I'll show you a picture of it. They were so adorable. But what was really cute is she made something, and it was so adorable. If I can get this out. Oh. So this is what she sent. And inside, she always has confetti. So it says, "Hey Peep, wish you the merriest and most flamazing Christmas ever. And even better New Year." Anyway, so she knows I don't celebrate Christmas, but she says, "I know you don't do Christmas, but I couldn't leave you out." And there were the cutest little shell. You can see it up here. Send you so you can see the picture. But she made this. This is so darling. Ain't it cute? Look at that. Doot, 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 doot. Her in here crocheting. It's the cutest little hat. Can you see that? Okay, my finger won't bend. There. It's adorable. It's so cute. Anyways, so that was one thing. And then I got another one from her today. And it's in a package. And again, it's from Jean's Junk. So I thought I'd share. Let's see what she said. Okay, well, I guess I'll do it down here. And, aw. She's got it wrapped up in my favorite color, green. Oh, how fun! Okay, cool. She sent me some fun little stuff. Ooh, how adorable. Okay, she sent me some masks, some under eye patch, I can't talk, tea tree mask. I can't wait to try that. She sent me some liquid glass. It's shampoo and a conditioner, it looks like. Dry bar. No, yeah, conditioner to sample out. One of those cool pens. I saw her with it the other day. I'm excited. Can't wait to try it out. But this is super cute. She sent me some cute little earrings, and they're green. They're adorable. Check this out. Oh my goodness, how cute is that? Can you see that? It's super cute. Oh, I think I took my earrings out. Yep. Ta-da! Voila! Little tiny things are super cute. Thank you, Auntie. It's very cute. I like it. So adorable. Very fun. So that was for my auntie. Thank you, Auntie. I love you. And then I got one more thing. I got another friend mail, and this is from Vicky Fry. And so I'm super excited. Let's just open it up. She sent it to A Day with Jennifer. Oh, how cute. Aw, look at that. My kitties. That is so cute. Living in the moment on YouTube. Thinking of you and wishing you a happiest holiday season. Always, Vicky and Jade. Aw, that was so sweet, Vicky. This is Vicky. She has her own channel, and I am gonna set it up below so you can go check her out. She's super nice. Super sweet. Oh my goodness, how sweet. Thank you so much. That was pretty cool. And so again, and I'll have it up here so you can see her page, but she's super sweet, has a great channel. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. And if you haven't seen my aunt, go check hers out. Very cool. Thank you guys. And I don't know, we'll see. I have to do some work on it. What do you think? Bangs? Is it me? Kind of weird, huh? We'll see. Till next time. Bye.